Okay, Lucy. Shout out to Lucy. All right, this is your pool. There's your deck. As I said in the previous videos, there's no way this architect didn't zone the pool, the decking down there, and yet he zoned the roof the way he did. As I showed you the roof deck, how beautifully he zoned it with his drainage, looking like this. I think it's let's try 29. We'll come back to 88. Oops, I think it's 88. 188. Shoot. Yeah, 188. Okay. So let me try 34 again. Takes a while to get there. Oh, jump to 34. That was fast. All right, so let me scroll up real quickly, and let's hit this deck, the roof deck again. And it shows the beautiful zoning I said the architect did for his water runoff. And I talked about that, saying that there's no way he did it. That you're telling me he did a deck that wasn't pitched. And this is what the engineer report states, that the defect is in the architect doing a flat deck. I'm like, there's no way this architect did that. It doesn't ring. It doesn't ring true. And it's 16. Come on, baby. I think I got it at 39. I don't think it was this far back. Oh, okay, maybe. Right here. So page 8. Okay. So here's the roof, and you can see he zoned the roof. These are the roof drains, 4-inch roof drains. He zoned it, so it's got a lot of redundancy here for water runoff. If this clogs, it's got, the one to this direction over here. It's got everything around it to overflow into. So it's got a lot of redundancy here, and that's the direction. Now that was page 8. Page 188 shows the. Bear with me. Come on. It takes a minute to flip through these plans like that. Page 188 shows the pool, and here's your zones. That's that drain I think we saw in the image I showed you in a previous video. It looks like he's got multiple drains here, but the pitch is there. I mean, clearly he says pitch, and there's your drains. He's got drains everywhere on this thing. There are drains everywhere. So there's the pitch of the deck. So everyone who's telling me that the deck is flat, the deck is flat. Well, it was not by the original designer. The original designer did not have a flat deck. We go to the engineer report. Let's see. I don't think this is the one, is it? I don't think this is the engineer. Well, maybe it's down here. Documents will be uploaded as they become available. Okay. The repair balconies. Anyway, you guys know the engineer report where he said the damn deck's flat. Where is it? The deck is flat. Take note of this this area right here. This is that deck. The deck right there, and there's I think the drains back here. Over here, another drain's there. But take note of that for a second, and look at let's see, desktop. Look at the loading of this deck at this point. I don't know if they put props underneath of it or not, but so this is where I think the start is, right in front of 42. But right here, look, they've got a track machine on over top of that area now. There's the pool. Excuse me. There's the pool, and there's a track machine going in. Right about there is where I think the crack in the deck presents. That's what I'm going with. And now we see the punch shear over here. I believe it's right there. Here. That's interesting there. I'd like to see more of this. I think they're going to expose it. Ideally, they're going to expose it. NIST is there. Hopefully, they're directing them on what they want to see to be non-invasive, not as destructive as they can be. I'm trying to find the report. Give me a second here. It says that it is. Let's go through this. Give me a second here to scroll through them real quickly. I've got to put this in a separate window. Yeah. So we talked about that. The reinforcement's not there. It's just at the bottom, just a little bit of it. There's none in this joint. That's the pool deck area. These props, maybe they brought those props in and put them there. I'm thinking, okay. The engineer has no experience. This engineer that did the report has no expertise in and takes no responsibility for construction means, methods, or job site safety during construction. Has no expertise in construction means. All right, that's a hell of a statement there. Where is mine? Right there. The main issue with this building structure is that the entrance drive pool deck planter waterproofing is laid on a flat structure. Since the reinforced concrete slab is not sloped, to drain, the water sits on the waterproofing until it evaporates. This is a major error in the development of the original contract documents prepared by William M. Friedman and Associates Architects and the engineer here. And we can see that's their engineer they hired, this company. And he's the president and multiple people. But he states that it's on a flat deck with no thing. So what is he saying? That the city approved, make up your mind, that he can't read plans, or the city approved, or he can't figure out it was pitched? Or did the city approve, what the hell is it? Approve a flat deck? No, I don't think so. I think this is a pitch deck there, and that they came in later and they flattened it out with the now present planters and also brain freeze. The overlay with the not stem concrete, but the pavers, the large paved tiles we saw in the image I showed earlier. But you see this thing has got drains everywhere. So, there's that scupper drain. It's no longer there. This one looks like it goes out. This one looks like it goes out. But we look at the images here. That drain's not present any longer. Here's the pool area. I see no scupper here, and we talked about scupper in another video. I see no scupper. I see a little fluorescence, a little water crack in there. Little patching on top there. All right. So, what do you guys think? So now we can start discrediting the engineer in his report. He's making statements that are untrue about the design. These are untrue It's an untrue statement. An untrue statement. It's not a true statement to state that since the reinforced concrete slab is not sloped to drain, the water sits on the waterproof. This is a major error in the development of the original contract documents. These are the original contract documents, and he's talking about that. These are what presented to us by the municipality. And this is dated, this is the Champlain thing. And, of course, it's torn off. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. There's his phone number. All right, so there's your pitch. There's your drains. So why did he throw the engineer, the architect, under the bus? I don't know. Who authorized asking that reporter to find out who changed this profile of this deck by making it flat, as the engineer stated? Who did that? And had the pooling water now? Obviously, it wasn't the original contract. the drain comes this way. So you'll find the drains in this deck there. So right about, let me try to get this right. Somewhere about, well, that's a heck of a, I think they changed the pool size on this one. So the jacuzzi pool down here, and the pool has been made smaller. Fuel oil, okay, yeah, oil pump back then. All right, I'm gonna end the video with that. There's your drainage. There's your pitch. So I'm trying to see if I can get yeah. Here are the elevations. Square footage, 3,800, I believe that is 2,200 and 900 divided up 5, 6-inch and a 4-inch drain. That's pretty nice. That's pretty damn nice. That's just okay. I think I know it. This is that step down towards the garage area. And it looks like he does have in those those stations up there 2-inch drain pipe drains. What does it say here? Wow, it drains everywhere on this thing. Pitch. There's the pitch. The ramp. Drains everywhere. But let's see if we can find the stormwater. This amount of square foot receiving stormwater cannot be disposed in this manner. Plumbing inspector. So so the plumbing inspector addressed. Oh, this is probably where they paid $400,000 for that stormwater runoff or something like that. They had to upgrade something. Everybody said it was a bribe or something like that. I think it was resolved with that. That is what I'm guessing. This is the pipe, 10 foot, so it's a 4-inch pipe. Using 8-inch lateral. This goes out to the street or wherever it goes to. Existing 8-inch water main. This is supply. MH's manhole, new manhole. Sorry guys, I should speak up. Let's look here. New bubbler to be pitch. What's he? Okay, he's referencing. I can't be sure if he's referencing this line here or not. Nevertheless, it was resolved with the. I think it's $400,000 he paid, and the city came up with $400,000, and they redid some storm water or some storm pipes or something like that. And there's pitch again. There's pitch everywhere here. So I don't know what this guy's talking about. That this deck was made level. I think someone didn't look at the plans then, so apparently, and he only looked at the underside of the deck perhaps, and saw the underside of the deck in the garage and said, "Oh, it's flat." So upstairs must be flat also. And yet it was not, per the plans. I'm terminating video. Just so proud to show you guys this, that that deck was pitched, that it was not by original design. So that puts us back to finding out who authorized the leveling of this deck, which caused overloading, also dead loads, etc. Ending this video, and you can go down that direction, please. Oh, please comment. It helps the algorithm. The trolls, please don't comment. Please just go away. Go wherever you want to go, but please don't bother me. And please give a thumbs up for also. That would be my appreciated, or thanks. Thank you.